for you guys. Last week I didn't post a video because I wasn't feeling well, so I wasn't really able to make a video. But today I have another video for you guys, fried chicken wings. So hopefully you guys like this recipe and try it at home. So here I have 1.5 kilos of chicken wings, approximately around 30 pieces. Then I have gram flour. I have half cup of gram flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of rice flour. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add in the ingredients. So first I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour. Next I'm going to add in my gram flour. Next I'm going to add in my rice flour. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. I'm going to add in my pepper. And I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I'm going to nicely mix it together. So now I'm going to coat the chicken in the flour. So the more flour you put on the chicken, the more crispier it would be. So it should look something like this. This chicken is very, very delicious and very tasty. So now I'm going to do the rest. So I'm done coating it and this is how it looks. So now I'm going to go over to go fry it. See you there. So now I put oil in the frying pan. So now I'm going to check if it's ready. I'm going to take a little piece of the chicken and put it in. If it bubbles and it comes to the top, that means it's ready. And mine is doing that, so that means it's ready. So as you can see, mine is ready. So now I'm going to put this in and make sure you have parent supervision. Put about 4 to 5 at a time. So this is how it should look. Make sure to just turn it around and take it out when it gets to a golden brown color. How it should look in this golden brown color. It should come out now. And make sure to let it cool down before you eat it. How it should look in this golden brown color. And now it's ready to take out. Look at the color, it looks very nice and beautiful, and it's going to be very delicious as well, so let's go try it. So the chicken is done, and you can even eat it like this or serve it like this, but today I'm going to be adding a little bit of sauce to make it better. So here I have barbecue sauce and honey garlic. Everyone in my family seems to enjoy this sauce better, so I'm going to be using this sauce. So here I'm gonna add a little bit more pieces of the chicken into my big bowl. And I'm gonna add in my honey garlic sauce. And I'm gonna be coating the chicken. So it's done coating, and now I'm going to be serving it. It's ready. So these chickens are my brother's favorite meal, so I'm going to bring him in. Come on in.
Hi guys! Oh, this chicken is my favorite. Let me try it.
Yes, you can try some.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Guys, you should try this at home. Please support and share this video.
This chicken is very tasty. He's right. Make sure to like this video,
Subscribe.
and share this video. And thanks for all the support. We made it up to 65 subscribers.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, this chicken tastes so good. Please share this video. Support my sister and like this video. Subscribe. Thank you.